for their distinctive pecking behavior, which they use to forage for insects, excavate nesting sites, and communicate. They belong to the order Piciformes and are found worldwide, except in some isolated regions like Australia, New Zealand, Madagascar, and Antarctica. There are over 300 species, depending on taxonomy, with about 22 in the United States and Canada. Strong, chisel-like bills for drilling into wood. Zygogatal feet, 2 toes forward, 2 backward, with sharp claws for gripping vertical surfaces. Stiff, spiny tail feathers that act as a prop for stability while pecking. Reinforced skulls and specialized hyoid bones, which can coil around the skull that absorb shock from rapid pecking. Up to 20 times per second and forces around 1/400 G. Their long tongues help extract insects deep in bark. Pecking serves multiple purposes: finding food, insects, sap, nuts, nesting and signaling territory or mates. Their flight is often undulating, and many species have striking white and plumage. Notable species:
In North America,
downy woodpecker, smallest and one of the most common, black and white, with a short bill, frequently visits feeders.
hairy woodpecker with a long pecker.
Largest in North America, crow-sized, 16-19 inches long, dramatic red crest, leaves rectangular holes in trees while hunting carpenter ants. Others include red-bellied, red-headed northern flicker, and yellow-bellied sapsucker. Woodpeckers play a vital ecological role by controlling insect populations and creating cavities used by other wildlife, owls, ducks, bats, squirrels. Other uses of woodpecker: an open source, lightweight CD tool, often used as a self-hosted alternative to systems like GitHub Actions or Jenkins. It runs pipelines in Docker containers and supports platforms like Gitto, a brand of premium woodworking tools, squares, clamps, jigs in the USA. In symbolism or spirituality, woodpeckers often represent persistence, rhythm, opportunity, and determination due to their relentless tapping. If you're asking about a specific type,
a bird species, the CI tool, or something else,
provide more details for deeper info.